Welcome to the future of effortless income. Are you ready to discover the top 6 laziest yet incredibly smart ways to make money online with the power of AI, all while you catch those much-needed Z's? Well, you're in the right place because today, we're unveiling the secrets that'll turn your dreams into dollars. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this exciting journey into the world of AI-driven passive income. Number 1. NFT Pro X. NFT Pro X, a game changer in the blockchain world, offers you an exciting opportunity to invest effortlessly in the crypto realm. By blending cloud mining and NFT investments in a groundbreaking manner, NFT Pro X ensures you a reliable and profitable journey. Dive into a world of versatility with NFT Pro X, where you can tailor your investments to match your unique goals. Feel secure with our advanced contract-based investment system, promising utmost confidentiality and transparency in all your transactions. Start your crypto adventure with just $10 and watch your earnings grow daily from cloud mining and NFT resales. We offer a range of investment packages to cater to diverse needs, from a quick one-day package with a 10% daily return to a longer 64-day plan yielding 2.1% daily. With NFT Pro X, making money online has never been this easy. Let your investments work for you while you enjoy a well-deserved rest. Number 2. Get paid for your creative skills. Imagine this. You possess an incredible gift for creativity, yet you haven't stumbled upon the perfect match for your exceptional skills. But what if I told you that you can harness the power of your creativity on Fiverr, all while enjoying your leisure time? Fiverr serves as the bridge connecting talented independent professionals specializing in writing, editing, graphic design, and voiceover artistry with clients yearning for precisely these imaginative talents. It's like a marketplace where your creative prowess finds its true calling. Create a profile that's akin to an online resume, allowing potential employers to delve into your qualifications, rates, and unique areas of expertise. It's time to set your creative spirit free, all while you earn a passive income. Number 3. Cloud mining. In the world of cryptocurrency, mining has piqued the interest of many, but traditional methods can be quite a hassle. That's where cloud mining comes in, a game changer for those looking to make money online effortlessly. No more expensive equipment to buy or maintain. Enter HappyMiner, a shining star in the realm of cloud mining. Since its inception in 2018, it has garnered trust from over 280,000 users, thanks to its simplicity and reliability. What's more, HappyMiner is often dubbed the free Bitcoin mining software because it requires no downloads or ongoing maintenance fees. With HappyMiner, you can mine not only Bitcoin, but also other cryptocurrencies like Dashcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Filecoin, and more. This flexibility lets you choose the coin that aligns with your goals. Plus, the transparency offered by HappyMiner is a game changer. You can easily track your mining progress, see how much you've mined, and rest assured knowing there are no hidden fees. Making money online has never been this hassle-free. Number 4. Become a social media manager. In today's digital age, nearly every business is bustling on social media. It's not just a place for sharing cat videos, it's a powerful tool for free advertising and nurturing connections with both loyal and potential customers. But for smaller businesses with limited manpower, taming the social media beast can seem like a Herculean task. Here's where you swoop in to save the day. If you've got a flair for creativity, love connecting with folks, and know your way around the social media jungle, this gig might be your dream come true. You'll be like the digital wizard who helps these businesses thrive online while they catch some Z's. Number 5. Start a blog. If you've got something on your mind, rest assured, there's an audience out there waiting to hear it. Writing opens up a world of possibilities where you get to call the shots on your favorite topic. Fancy whipping up delectable dishes? Dive into the culinary world with a food blog. Is fashion your ultimate passion? Get those style tips flowing on your own fashion blog. And for those fitness fanatics, a health blog is the way to go to share your enthusiasm for diet and exercise. However, brace yourself for a leisurely start to the game. Blogging can indeed be a financial boon, but it can also be, well, a bit of a slow burner, to be honest. Yet, don't let that deter you. We promise it's not all doom and gloom. Your blogging journey success and earnings can skyrocket by utilizing nifty tools like Google AdSense or riding the affiliate marketing wave, where you rake in commissions when someone grabs a product you endorse. Building meaningful connections in the blogosphere can also be a game changer, elevating your online presence and income potential. So, while it might not be an overnight riches tale, the blogging path can certainly lead to an exciting and profitable online journey. Number 6. Take surveys. If you're all about making some extra dough without breaking a sweat, let's dive into the wonderful world of online surveys. Trust me, it's a whole lot more exciting than it sounds. Imagine getting paid for sharing your thoughts while you catch those ZZZs. Here's the scoop. Websites like MyPoints and Survey Junkie are in the business of rewarding you for your opinions. Sounds like a sweet gig, right? But here's the insider tip. These platforms have a knack for selecting survey takers based on their unique preferences. So while it's an easy way to pocket some cash, remember that not every survey may be a match for you. Keep that in mind, and let's keep the money rolling in while you sleep. Remember, in this digital age, the possibilities are endless, and with the right AI, tools and strategies, you can turn your downtime into dollars. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more money-making tips, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest insights.